to reference a book that totally upgraded my thinking when it came to all things focus, boundaries, and workflow. And the book is called this. It's Essentialism by Greg McKeown. I cannot recommend it enough. I have read this thing 1,000 times over. It goes with me pretty much everywhere I go. Now, what I've done in my book, 5 Elements of a Kingdom Educator, is I've taken some of his frameworks and I've applied it to kingdom principles. We're talking about knowing your unique contribution and then learning how to partner with the Father to make space for that and to thrive in that area.